नमस्कार। मातृ एवं शिशु मृत्यु दर को कम करने के लिए कोरोना महामारी के दौरान भी सभी राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम संचालित किया जाना अत्यंत आवश्यक है। ये फिल्म स्वास्थ्य कार्यकर्ताओं को बदली परिस्थितियों में काम करने के लिए मार्गदर्शन प्रदान करेगी। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम सब मिलकर प्रदेश को कोरोना तथा टीका रोधक बीमारियों से निजात दिला सकेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar. Through this video, we will tell you how routine immunization sessions should be organized following all the COVID-19 protocols. One day before the session, inform the beneficiaries and their family members about the location of the immunization session and of the time slot allotted to them. You should also use mobile phones for the same. Take details of the families who have come from outside, and if there is any beneficiary in the family, please encourage them to come to the session. Advise them that only one caregiver should accompany the beneficiary, whose age should be below 60 years. If anyone has cold, cough or fever, they should not visit the session site. Remind them to always wear homemade cloth masks. Selection of the session site. Do not select a COVID-19 hospital or a quarantine facility. Choose a well-ventilated and clean location. Preparing the site on the day of the session. Before every session, prepare a bleaching powder solution by mixing 150 grams of bleaching powder with 5 liters of water and thoroughly sanitize the session site and furniture. Mark circles with chalk at a distance of 2 meters. Make proper seating arrangements for the beneficiaries and their caregivers. Put up COVID-19 and immunization posters on the walls of the session site. During the session. Before the session, wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water and prepare the session site for vaccination. Wear a 3-ply mask or a homemade mask at all times. Please ensure that no one removes or touches the mask. Ensure minimum contact with any type of surface. In 1 hour, only 5 beneficiaries should be allowed to enter the session site one by one. Ask everyone to leave their footwear outside the session site. Conduct preliminary checks for COVID-19 symptoms before allowing anyone into the session site. Ask the beneficiary and caregiver to wash their hands one by one. Before giving the vaccine, examine the VVM status, check if the vaccine is not frozen and the expiry date. Write the date and time before opening the vial. Before vaccination, inquire about 4 questions. Give all due vaccines to the beneficiary and convey 4 key messages post-vaccination. Reiterate infection prevention protocols against COVID-19 and motivate them to download the Arogya Setu app. Update the MCP card and tally sheet. Provide other health services offered during VHSND. Ask the beneficiaries to wait for 30 minutes after vaccination. Wash your hands with soap and water after vaccinating each beneficiary. After the completion of the immunization session, update the due list, Anmol and RCH register. Place all the vaccines in the vaccine carrier. Hand over the vaccine carrier and biomedical waste to the AVD. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Sanitize the session site and furniture again with bleaching powder solution.
नमस्कार। संपूर्ण टीकाकरण हर शिशु का जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार एवं हम सबकी संयुक्त जिम्मेदारी। आए हम सब मिलकर इसे बखूबी निभाएं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि जन जन को टीकों के फायदे के साथ साथ कोरोना से बचाव के नियम भी बताएं। चलिए मिलकर स्वस्थ माँ, स्वस्थ शिशु, स्वस्थ प्रदेश बनाएं।